I know I say this every time, but you guys, this is a good one. This is a good one. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's that time. We are unboxing the June edition of the Jane's Agenda Deluxe Sub Box. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jen. I'm a registered dietitian and a planning enthusiast. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. So glad you're here. So today we are going to take a peek inside this box right here, and I am so excited to share it with you. I know I say this every time, but you guys, this is a good one. This is a good one. I have looked at it. This is stunning. So let's just take a look, shall we? So if you're not familiar, Jane's Agenda has 3 sub box versions. This is the deluxe sub box. There is also the lifestyle sub box and the monthly cover club. The deluxe box includes everything, and I will keep the items that would be from the monthly cover club to the end, as that's how I've been doing it, and that seems to be working out. So let's look inside the beautiful box. Look at that. So I have looked inside here already, like I said, but I tried to show you how beautifully it is packaged, because it's always packaged so beautifully. I did tear the paper a little bit. That was me. So let's move the box out of the way, and we're going to get into all the goodies. So first of all, I want to show you that starting last month, they made a little change. So it's always come with this card here, which would have the month and year on it. And then usually this was the tour card. So the back of the card would show you all the items that you were receiving in the box. But now instead, there's a little message, and there's the QR code to get your free wallpapers, because you do get some free digital wallpapers with this sub box. And so this card is particularly beautiful, but they all are, and I always use them inside my planner. So they don't really call it anything on this card, so I'm just going to start calling it the monthly journaling card. But now this is the tour card, so it seems like there's a featured item of the box that they're highlighting on the front, and then it shows you all the items in there, but I'm not going to show that to you now. So first of all, we have these cute little bird clips. So they are in silver, and they're just these little birds. They are just adorable, and you did get 2. Really cute. Love those. Then, as always, we got a couple journaling cards. These ones are really pretty. I love them. So this says, "Make someday today." And this says, "I am no bird and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will. Charlotte Bronte, Jane Eyre." And it's really pretty. I love that. Then we got a translucent sticky note. So these, we received green ones that were similar, so they are transparent. So you do need like the uni pen or a permanent marker, I believe will work. We did get a uni pen in maybe the February box or March box. I don't quite remember. So these are cool. And then I'm so excited. We have washi tape. So let me look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love washi tape, so I'm very excited about that. Next, we'll take a look at what is the featured item of the box, which is a vegan leather pen pocket protector. The tour card says that this was inspired by a pen accident that one of the team members at Jane's Agenda had, where a pen exploded in her bag. So this is meant to just give you kind of like some added protection. It's pretty snug, which I think is good. Here, let's put a few different things in here and see what it fits like. Just some random pens I have. So there you go. So there's some random pens. Pretty cute. Next up, one of my favorite items to get from Jane's Agenda, the hybrid dashboard. So this hybrid dashboard is a June themed box exclusive, it says, and it's poppy floral on pink ombre, says in box at the top. Now, she does offer some of these designs in the shop. The ones that you can order in the shop, you can choose for to either say inbox or today up here. Very, very pretty. I love it. Love it. And these I do use to put sticky notes on and to take notes, but you're going to see that there's more in this box that will make sense that will go with this. Now, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is so pretty. I would have loved dashboards in this print too, maybe down the line. This is a saddle stitch notebook and it is lined. It is the same size as the one we got in the Celestial themed box, if you have that. And it is lined, and it just says Jane's Agenda at the bottom. And it's a good amount of paper. Beautiful notebook. I mean, beautiful to keep, beautiful to gift. I don't know if she's bringing any of these to the shop. I believe I saw the other one I just showed in the shop, and I'll mention that I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate. I do have an affiliate link down in the description box. If you shop that link, I do earn a commission at no cost to you, which I appreciate so, so much. But also, if you're making your first purchase with Jane's Agenda, you can save 15% off your first purchase by using that link or with the code GOAL15. But it really does support me anytime you even click on that link. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. But just wanted to mention that discount is not good on the sub box, but any items that land in the shop, such as this or vegan leather covers or clear covers, different dashboards, all those things you can use that discount on. So very pretty notebook. I really do like that. So next we have a translucent dashboard and a set of decorative dashboards. This is beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So this says June 2023. And here is the dashboard itself, which is also just gorgeous, just like that. So really beautiful. There's also this one. Oops. There's also this one, which is also beautiful. You can see what that looks like over there. Equally pretty. I'm telling you guys, this box it never disappoints. It does not disappoint. I just enjoy this box so much. The next thing is very exciting. We have this, what they're calling a pocket insert. So, you know, people were asking if they could have something to hold the journaling cards. Now, my only thing is that I was hoping it was going to have sectioned squares for each card. And I don't know if in larger sizes, maybe it does. So I don't think I mentioned that. I received my box in the junior disc bound size because I use a half letter planner. But you can get this in a variety of disc and ring sizes. So maybe in classic or letter size. I think she still does letter size. Maybe it does have the squares like that. You can see, let's try them out, that they fit, because I don't know how well you can see on camera. There's 3 horizontal pockets like this. So they do fit nicely. And, you know, they couldn't really, I guess, make individual squares because you'll see they really don't fit side by side. So, you know, I get it that their hands are tied by the sizing, but that was what I was hoping for, because HP used to make something like that. Now, they didn't make journaling cards, so the squares just were what they were, and you would have to make something to fit in them, but it was a cool look. But yeah, you can go like this, and I think this will fit in there. Yeah, really cool. Oh, I am so excited to put that in my planner. Let's see how the bird looks on there. Oh, look at this. What? Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, I'm very excited to put that in my planner. How beautiful is that? Recipients of the Lifestyle box and the Deluxe box, we usually do get inserts. This time around, we've gotten 2 sets of inserts. So let's start with these. These are called the inbox insert. And it does come with instructions, but basically what they are, they're all double-sided the same. So we have kind of a grid. So it says description. We have a blank section up here. We have a large lined area here with check boxes. And then we have some categories for assigning the topic: urgent, next actions, scheduled, delegated, project, reference, someday, and canceled. So what it says as to how to use these is that you can use this as an area to quickly jot down tasks, projects, or ideas that you think you might forget, and you can also decide what to do with them. Okay, I'm reading the instructions more carefully. So what they're saying is that you might be putting sticky notes on your hybrid dashboard inbox, which is how I use mine, right? So maybe you've got this clip to the front and you're putting your sticky notes where you're quickly jotting some ideas. Then you can transfer those ideas when you have a little more time to this list, and then you're going to assign it a category. So these are pretty cool, honestly, and I've kind of been needing something like this. So these are probably definitely going to go into the front of my planner. So they're pretty neat. I think Jane, she's very innovative. She comes up with a lot of things that I don't see other companies making, because she just really asks herself, what do I need? And then she shares it with everybody else, which is very, very cool. Then we have these someday planning inserts. So what these are all about is, it says write down all things marked as someday. So meaning on these inserts, see, you had this category of someday. So maybe it's something that you want to happen or work on, but you're just not going to be able to get to it just yet. Then you can transfer it to here, and you can write down all the information as to what you would need to make this thing happen. So it says item, project, details, purpose, rough deadline, impact, high, medium, low, and status, migrated, delegated, canceled. Interesting that there's not a completed completed section. And we do get a good number of these as well. I really like those a lot. So now we're going to be getting into the items that would be in the monthly Cover Club subscription as well. And in that subscription, you get laminated covers or 2 dashboards if you're in Rings. You get 2 cardstock dashboards and a page finder. So let's start with our page finder. So here it is. It's very pretty. I really like this one. I've mostly been using these as kind of top tabs for my monthlies, and that's been working out well. So that's a really pretty one. I like that. Now here's our cover. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it so pretty? I love it. Love it. Look how beautiful. And I'm just seeing, I don't know how well you can see, but there's some white ink words here, and it's the same quote that's on the quote card. That's so cool. I love it. It's beautiful. So now let's look at the dashboards that come with it that are meant to go underneath, but also you can always mix and match with any other dashboards that come in your box or any other dashboards that you may have. I, at this time, have collected quite a few Jane's Agenda dashboards just because they're my favorite. So I'm not sure how I'll proceed this month, if I'll use the ones that came or not, but we'll take a look at it all together. So let's first pull out the dashboards that came alongside this cover. here it is. So they're double-sided. So you get two, and they have both patterns. So one side is like this, one side is like that, which means you can use them either way or mix and match. Aren't they beautiful? So now let's look at this with the cover. So here's our first pairing. We'll line up the punches so we get the full effect. So that's what that's like. So that's very pretty. Let's try the other side. Oh, I love that. That's just giving me like fiery sunset vibes. That's really pretty. Let's look at the other ones though. Here's what it would look like over this. I don't think I love that as much just because of the angle of the flowers, but not terrible. And how about this one? That one's pretty. That's pretty too. Kind of lightens it up a little bit as well. What do you guys think? Which is your favorite pairing? I'd love to hear. I love it when you comment. I love chatting with you guys. This box, I think it is incredible. That is the June edition of the Jane's Agenda Deluxe sub box. Yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it, love it. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, like it. I always appreciate it when you do that. And if you're enjoying my content, then please consider hitting that subscribe button, ring the bell so you're notified of all my future uploads, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.